In the new year, you must set a goal to become certified project management professional. We have helped more than 450 students in 2022 and we are gonna set the record in 2023. You can set a goal to become PMP in 2023 and in our program we can make sure in 4 to 6 weeks you become certified project management professional. My name is Amer and through my success coaching system we have helped thousands of students in the past 1 decade. Now in 2023 my goal is to help you become certified project management professional. We have 2 programs, one-to-one mentor program and batch program, that is group program. One-to-one mentor program is designed for those people who wants to customize things according to their need, who wants to study at their own time, who wants a special attention. And group program is specifically designed for those people who are just starting their journey. Although it has been an interesting fact that 70% of my students in group programs are those who have already taken their training, but because of XYZ reason, they could never given the exam. If you are new or if you have taken the training, you can join my group program or my one-to-one program. And through my success coaching system, I'll make sure you become certified project management professional. Let me explain you these programs with the help of this beautiful whiteboard. The first thing first is that 97% of the students who actually takes the training never even give the exam. And the reason is basically there is no accountability system. No matter how good the trainer is, no matter how good you understand those things, PMP cannot be done without the proper understanding, without proper solving questions. And normally in life, when we don't have any accountability, or I would say someone is not running behind us to make sure that we follow through, 97% of the time, according to the analysis of past 1 decade, students don't give the exam. Now this is a very big thing. Let's say 100 students have taken their training, which means they have spent their money, which means they have given their time, but the reason for which they have spent their money, all those things, is to get the certified, they never got through it. This is a very, very important thing. I want to help you that you become the remaining 3%. Now, let me share you another interesting fact. Last year, 500, like in 2022, 500 students almost have taken the training, 510, and as of today, more than 450 have become PMP. Now you can do the math. How many have given the exam? Only 50 students have not given the exam, and most of them are those students who taken the training in batch 11, that is in the November batch, or batch 12, that is in the December batch. This is a very interesting fact. How do we make sure that these students become certified PMP? Here comes my success coaching system. You see, my system stands on 3 important things. The first thing is that even before you start the training, I'll start working with you. This is called pre-training material. I'll start sharing videos to you. I'll start sharing material to you according to your requirement. For example, I just had a conversation with a civil engineer. He was a civil engineer working in Abu Dhabi, UAE, with more than 10 years of experience. He joined the program. Immediately I gave him the video of Agile. Why? I know from the fact that civil engineers work in the predictive environment, they need to understand Agile better. So I gave you the video of Agile. Now this is an interesting thing. This is called customizing according to requirement. So once he will watch the Agile video, I'll give the stakeholder communication team and other videos. This keeps on happening till you reach the training days. If you join the batch program, training will be 13, 14, 15, 20, 21, 22. 6 days of class on Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Timing will be 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. UAE time. You can change timing according to your time zone, 7 to 1 a.m. Now it's an interesting thing that I want to add here. It is possible that you could not attend the complete session. It is possible you get busy in other things in your life. These sessions will be live, plus they will be recorded for you. Now that's an interesting thing to understand, that you can get the recording of this session if you miss something. And of course, my program is still you become certified PMP. So even if you could not attend even the single class, it does not make difference. I'll work with you anyhow to make sure that you clear the line, you clear those things. Okay, now after the 6 days of intensive training, now first of all, my training is entirely different. It is based on case study. I can give you a demo video, just message me on the WhatsApp. I can give you one of the fundamental or agile video which we have done for the previous batch, so that you can get into the insights, how my trainings actually are, how I'm conducting those trainings, so you can understand them better way. So just message me, I'll share it to you. We solve more than 150 questions in our training. You see, I'm a big believer of solving question. In the PMP exam, no matter how good your knowledge is, if you don't know how to solve the question answers, that entire knowledge will not be helpful. So straightforward, I will help you in solving these question answers. I will guide you through my 7-step formula how to solve these question answers. I will share with you, okay, these are the question answers that you can use to understand each and everything. A very important thing when you are preparing for your PMP exam. So once the entire 6 days of training is completed, now starts my success coaching system. Now that's a very important thing that I want to work with you. I want to guide you. This success coaching system is based on customized roadmap, daily follow-up, and coaching goals. Let me explain this thing. Customized roadmap. Each students learn in a different way. Each students understand in a different way. So how can one roadmap work for all of you? You need a different roadmap. Each student need a different roadmap. I'll customize according to the time that you may have, according to your background, according to your understanding. I'll give you that customized roadmap. Now, as I said, 97% of the students don't follow it. Through my daily follow-up, which is actually based on the lean Gamba and agile stand-up, I will daily have a conversation with you. What have you done? Where do you stand? And things like that, just to make sure you are on the right track. We do this daily follow-up, which makes sure you follow this roadmap, or if you need help, we customize this roadmap to suit your requirement. Everyone needs different thing, so we will be customizing it according to that. Now this third thing, coaching calls. Interestingly, yesterday we did a premium ATP coaching call in which we solved 60 question answers for our students. We haven't put this for live for anyone else. Most of the things I do put on YouTube, but I did not put this thing. But if you want, just message me. I'll give you those 60 question coaching call. Very important. It has been made by certified PMPs. So we have 3 coaching calls in a week: Monday, Wednesday, Friday on the batch days, and Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday on the non-batch weekends. In these coaching calls, we will actually solve PMI ATP questions. On Monday coaching calls, there are 210 clone questions that PMI has given us. On Wednesday, I'll solve the question. On Monday, you are solving question, I am guiding. On Wednesday, I will solve the question, so that you understand the context, the way, all those things. And on Friday, we will use any other author's question. And Sunday is all about the new topics and how we can work into that context. So this will be an important day. This will be important things to work into that. Through coaching call, to daily follow-up, and through customized roadmap, we make sure you clear the line. The fee for the batch program is $499. One-to-one is $999. PMP exam fees is $545, which is not included in this program. I have not increased my fees from last 2 years. We have increased the values, we have increased the guidance, but we have not increased the fees, because we understand that the guidance matters to you. We understand that these programs are designed for you. A very important thing I would like to add here, all my programs are backed by money back guarantee. God forbid if you fail into the PMP exam and my success rate is 99.8, you are not going to fail. But let's say something bad happened and you could not do it, I will pay your re-examination fees, or I will coach you till you become certified PMP. Your choice. You will decide which one you want to do. So this is my program. Everything that you need to pass the PMP is in this one stop for PMP. So if your goal is to become PMP in 2023, register now. And if your goal is not, I would like to ask, why not? This is the year to take the control of your life. Thank you very much, and let's become PMP.